To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. A medium-sized tomato contains only 16 calories. So, consuming 2 tomatoes will not only make you feel full, but will also cut down your calorie intake and help you to lose weight. Tomatoes are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that also makes your skin smooth and give it a lustrous texture. Today we will share a healthy tomato salad recipe for weight loss. This healthy recipe is extremely easy to make, need only few ingredients, a time saver, and worth trying. Before we start, if you love to get more weight loss recipes, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next videos. For this weight loss salad recipe you will need 500 grams tomatoes, 2 big cloves of garlic, 2 cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of coconut crumbs, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, some parsley, salt according to your taste. Process: wash 500 grams fresh tomatoes and wipe them well. Cut the tomatoes and keep aside. Make a paste with the parsley, garlic and cayenne pepper. Fry 1 tablespoon sesame seed for a minute. Add the salt, coconut crumbs, black pepper, mustard oil to the paste, and mix well. Now add this paste and sesame seeds to the tomatoes and mix thoroughly. Rest it for 2 hours. Your healthy tomato salad recipe for weight loss is ready to enjoy.